Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and this video is extremely time sensitive. I want to go over Humbl stock because I believe it's about to break out. What is my experience with Humbl? This is my average cost right here on Humbl. I've been talking about this stock for a very long time and I want to go over exactly why I believe it's about to break out right now. So right now we are looking at Humbl here on the 30-minute time frame and you can see this stock has been trading like butter. We have been tracking this pattern here since this run up in February and we are here today at the conclusion of this pattern and we have broken it to the upside. One thing that I really want to stress is when you have a conclusion of a pattern like this, you really want the volume to start to pick up. If you don't have that high volume, then the chances of a breakout are less likely. And so right now, if I look at just the 30-minute time frame, we have seen a lot of volume today relative to our average. And so what I want to mention now is when you have a breakout, you usually want a couple catalysts that can potentially propel this stock even higher. And so what are the catalysts that we have for Humbl in the short term? First of all, we have our investor conference call taking place today after hours, and that is our first catalyst that we are going to get. In this investor call, we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but there is tons of speculation that we might be unveiling our highly coveted app. And I think once we finally get that working app on the market, this stock is going to explode. And so prior to this, it was a lot harder to access Humbl. You'd have to go through a website. Certain areas or certain countries don't have access to Humbl. But once we get a working app, all consumers are going to have an easier access to all of Humbl's platforms and everything that they offer. And so that is extremely bullish. And the second catalyst that I want to talk about right here is the CEO of Humbl, Brian Foote, will be appearing live on CNBC tomorrow between 2 and 3 Eastern Standard Time. And so that is going to be during market hours near the end. And so those are two major catalysts that we are about to see in the short term with the conclusion of a bull flag. And so if we pull Humbl back here onto the daily time frame, if we look at the MACD, we could have potentially seen a double bottom right here and right here, and this forms a very nice W. Furthermore, if we look at our MACD here, our MACD with a couple more green days will have this crossover. You could see we had great buying volume coming in today, and I think this is the beginning of our run here in the short term. If we release the news that all investors are anticipating, this stock is about to explode, and I hope y'all are paying attention. This is not financial advice, but buy Humbl now. This is extremely time sensitive. I am recording this video during market hours, and I'm going to try my best to get this up before the market closes so you guys have an opportunity to make some money, because this stock is about to run and it has the perfect setup. It is very rare that you see a conclusion of a bull flag with such bullish catalysts right after, plus the volume. Ultimately, the table is set here for Humbl to blow up. Brian Foote has never steered us wrong. He has an investor call for us after hours today, and he's going to appear on CNBC tomorrow. He seems like a smart guy. I don't think he would waste an appearance on live TV if he didn't have some really good news to talk about within the company. And so overall, everything right now looks extremely bullish on Humbl. I wanted to make this quick update for everybody who is watching and still not sure whether or not to get into Humbl. Everything looks absolutely bullish. I haven't seen a bullish setup like this in a while. And so if you guys enjoyed this quick little update, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs. So if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.